Good evening. I'm meteorologist Katie McGee here in the NCSU Weather Center, and with the warm, beautiful day we had today, I'm sure we're all wondering which weather extreme is going to come next. Just to remind you what we're supposed to see this time of year in November, the high average is around 62 degrees and the low is 40, but so far this month it seems like we've had anything but. So far, just to remind you, we started out around 71 in the early parts of the month, and then 6 days later, less than a week, it was snowing on the 12th, and less than a week after that, exactly 6 days as well, bit of a conspiracy theory, we were at 75 today. So according to pattern, 6 days later, we should have a big cool down. Sadly, that's going to come a lot sooner than we think. Looking at the current satellite image, we can see clear skies over North Carolina and most of the eastern seaboard right now. We can also see these clouds offshore, and that's because of this cold front that came through earlier this week and brought us all of that rain once it blew through. But these clear skies now, we have to thank this high pressure system. Again, high pressure systems have that sinking air, which doesn't allow for air to rise up and form clouds, leaving us and most of the eastern United States with beautiful sunny skies. Now, sadly, that high pressure system is going to move further eastward, and high pressure systems with their clockwise motion bring down those cool Canadian breezes, allowing us to cool down much more from what we saw today, almost 20 degrees. And sadly, it's not going to end there. The high pressure system is going to move offshore, allowing us to warm up a bit. But later on this weekend, we see this cold front up to the Pacific Northwest. That's going to move through, bring us a chance of rain this weekend, and also another big cool down after this one. Now, that first cool down from the high pressure system is going to start up tonight. We're getting down to 40, a lot chillier than we saw last night in the mid-50s. Mostly clear skies, and that northerly wind of 10 miles an hour is only going to make that biting cold of 40 degrees feel that much chillier. So if you are heading out, grab your jacket and hold on to it tomorrow as well. We're going to be waking up for those early 8 a.m. classes in the low 40s, warming up a bit for lunchtime in the 51 range. We'll see our high of 54 at 3 p.m. and then cooling off by 8 p.m. to 43 with partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. So grab your jacket tonight, grab your jacket tomorrow. You're going to need it Wednesday as well, especially for the basketball game against the NC Central University Eagles. A 7 p.m. tip-off time, 48 degrees expected with mostly cloudy skies, and then by the time the game ends at 9, we'll be down to 40 degrees. So again, that wind will still be present, so it's going to feel also that much cooler. So grab your jacket, and you're going to need it for most of the week. We can see in the mid-50s Tuesday and Wednesday, and look at Tuesday night, 33 degrees. That's almost freezing. We'll warm up to 66 on Saturday, and as that second cold front passes up to us, we'll see a 30% chance of rain for our basketball game, and after that, temperatures are going to drop. Again, this is meteorologist Katie McGee. Have a great rest of your week.